Plastic can be thin and soft like a plastic bag, or rock hard and fire resistant like Lego bricks. These different properties of plastic are due to the additives used in its production. Among such additives are fire retardants or plasticizers, which soften the plastic. Some of these additives are toxic and have a long-lasting effect on the ecosystem. Plastic additives such as phthalates and BPA can enter the body system, cause hormonal disorders, cancer, and even infertility, and harm the fetus. You can identify harmful substances in plastic by smelling the item. If the plastic part has a strong odor, it likely contains toxic additives. It is also recommended not to heat food in plastic containers. At a specific temperature, additives can flow from the plastic and into the food. Turn off the plastic tap and help the ocean.